For today, we are going to learn more about numbers, or Zahlen. Zahlen. The first one is Null. Null. Eins. Eins. Zwei. Zwei. Drei. Drei. Vier. Vier. Fünf. Fünf. Sechs. Sechs. Sieben. Sieben. Acht. Acht. Neun. Neun. 10. 10. Good job. The next one is elf. Elf. Then comes 12. Zwölf. Zwölf. Starting from 13, you are going to have to combine two numbers together. In this case, you are going to use the numbers 3 and 10 in this order. 13. 13. In other words, you are going to have to read the numbers starting from the right to the left. Vierzehn. Vierzehn. Fünfzehn. Fünfzehn. Sechzehn. Siebzehn. With 17, you are going to have to be a little bit careful, because 7 is not sieben, but only the first half, so it's Siebzehn. Siebzehn. Achtzehn. Achtzehn. Neunzehn. Neunzehn. 20 is Zwanzig. Zwanzig. As before, those numbers are always from the right. So first comes 1 and then comes 20. Just like the numbers before, you are going to have to read from right to left. But in the middle, you have to put the word und. So together it's Einundzwanzig. 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 Zweiundzwanzig. 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 Dreiundzwanzig. Dreiundzwanzig. Vierundzwanzig. Vierundzwanzig. Fünfundzwanzig. Fünfundzwanzig. Sechsundzwanzig. Sechsundzwanzig. Siebenundzwanzig. Here, as you can see, 7 is whole. You don't have to cut anything. Siebenundzwanzig. Achtundzwanzig. Achtundzwanzig. Neunundzwanzig. 29. And it goes on like this. 30 is Dreißig. So you say Einunddreißig, Einunddreißig, Zweiunddreißig, Zweiunddreißig, and so on. 40 is Vierzig. To continue, 41, 42. 50 would be Fünfzig. 51, 52. After this comes 60. Sechzig. 61, 62. With 70, you are going to have to read only the first half of the word sieben. So together it's Siebzig. 71, 72. 80 is Achtzig. 81, 82. 90 is Neunzig. Then comes Einundzwanzig. 92. 100 is Hundert. Feel free to return to the beginning of the lesson to practice again. It would take some time, but don't worry about it. And this is the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for coming and see you soon. Bye bye.